Start with a magic circle. And chain 1. This chain 1, it won't be counted as a stitch. Now make one single crochet, one half double crochet, and 4 double crochets. That's total 6 stitches. Now pull this loop a bit and join the other color yarn. Chain 1. Again, this won't be counted as a stitch. Now repeat the same as you did over here and take this yarn ends along with the working yarn. This one, and this is the first color yarn. One single crochet, one half double crochet, and 4 double crochets. Now pull up this loop a bit and pull the yarn ends to close the magic loop. Pull it tight. At the end of this round you should have 12 stitches, 6 stitches of color 1 and 6 stitches of color 2. Next round, now start with the color 1. 2 double crochets in each and every stitch. This is the first stitch. Mark the first stitch with a stitch marker. One more double crochet in the same stitch. Now repeat this until you reach this loop. Now you've reached the starting of the next loop. You'll be making the last 2 stitches in this stitch as well. That's total 12 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now pull up this loop and drop off this first color and pick up the next color. Now repeat the same 2 double crochets in each and every stitch until you reach the end. At the end of this round, total you should have 24 stitches. 12 stitches of color 1 and 12 stitches of color 2. Next round, now drop this color and pick up the first color. You will always start each and every round with the first color you started. Take off the stitch marker. One increase in the first stitch, that is 2 double crochets in the first stitch. Mark the first stitch with a stitch marker. One more double crochet. That's 2 double crochets. 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Now repeat this. 1 increase, that is 2 double crochets, and 1 double crochet in the next stitch. You have reached the start of the next color. You'll be making a stitch over here too. Now drop this color and pick up the next color and repeat the same until you reach the mark stitch. 2 double crochets, that's 1 increase made, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets and 1 double crochet in the next stitch. At the end of this round, you should have 36 stitches. Next round, start with the color 1 and remove the stitch marker. 1 increase, that is 2 double crochets in the same stitch. Mark the first stitch with the stitch marker and 1 double crochet each in the next 2 stitches. Now repeat this, 1 increase and 1 double crochet each in the next 2 stitches. Now repeat this until you reach the next color. Be careful not to miss out the last stitch. You have reached the starting of the next color. Drop off this first color and pick up this color too. Now repeat the same until you reach the end. 2 double crochet and 1 double crochet each in the next 2 stitches. At the end of this round, you should have 48 stitches. Next round, start with the first color. 1 increase, that is 2 double crochets. Mark the first stitch. Now 1 double crochet each in the next 3 stitches. Now repeat this until the next loop. 1 increase, that's 2 double crochets and 1 double crochet each in the next 3 stitches. Be careful not to miss out the last stitch. Now drop off this color and pick up the next color. Now repeat the same until you reach the end. That's 1 increase, 2 double crochets in the same stitch and 1 double crochet each in the next 3 stitches. At the end of this round you should have 60 stitches. Now keep repeating this increase pattern until you reach the size which you need. I'll give the details in the description box below. Now to end the circle, 1 double crochet each in the neck 2 stitches. One half double crochet in the neck 2 stitches. One single crochet each in the neck 2 stitches. And finally one slip stitch each in the neck 2 stitches. And you can weave off this color. Now pick up the next color and repeat the same over here. 1 double crochet each in the neck 2 stitches. One half double crochet in the neck 2 stitches. One single crochet each in the neck 2 stitches. And finally one slip stitch each in the neck 2 stitches. And weave off this yarn. This is how it will look. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.